Namaskaram. We will continue with our output questions based on random module. Question: what possible outputs are expected to be displayed on screen at the time of execution of the program from the following code? Also specify the minimum and maximum values that can be assigned to the variable end. This question is from CBSE 2020 question paper. Here is your program and here is your options. See, here in this question, the random function used is randrange, not randint. First, we will find out the minimum and maximum values for the variable end. What is given in the question? End equal to randrange of 2 plus 3. We have discussed about this randrange function in detail in our part 1 video. I will just revise what we have studied. The function randrange a comma b. This randrange function will generate and return a random integer between a and b. A is included but b is not included. That is from a to b minus 1. Then what about if only one argument is the randrange of n? Then it will consider the starting value as 0. That is, it will generate and return a random integer between 0 and n, but n is not included. That is, the values are from 0 to n minus 1. We will move to our program. Import random, then a list rainbow, end equal to randrange of 2 plus 3. What this randrange will return? 0 or 1. 2 is not included. Then end equal to randrange of 2 plus 3. That is, n can take the values 0 plus 3 equal to 3. That is when the randrange function returns 0. 0 plus 3, and one more possible value for this randrange of 2, that is 1. So when it returns 1, the variable n gets the value 1 plus 3 equal to 4. So 3 and 4 are the possible values for end. So the minimum value of this variable end is 3 and the maximum value is 4. Okay. Next we will find out the possible outputs. Import random, then a list rainbow having 7 values: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. See, I have given the index values here. Then end equal to randrange of 2 plus 3. N will get the values 3 or 4. The next statement is begin equal to randrange of end plus 1. Then what are the possible values for begin? First we will see what are the values, what are the possible values for begin when the value of end is 3. Randrange of 3. What are the possible values? 0, 1 or 2. And see, begin equal to randrange of n plus 1. So what are the possible values for begin? 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 1, 2 and 2 plus 1, 3. Okay. Then next is when the value of end is 4. That is randrange of 4. What are the possible values? 0, 1, 2 or 3. From 0 to 3. So that values plus 1 you will get 1, 2, 3 or 4. So what are the possible values for begin? 1, 2, 3 or 4. This much okay? Then we will go for the for loop. For I in range begin to end. That is, the value of I ranges from begin to n minus 1. So we have to find out the values for I when end equal to 3 and when end equal to 4. First we will see when end equal to 3. Begin to end. So I ranges from 1 to 2. Then when begin equal to 2, 2 to 2. And when begin equal to 3, 3 to 2. Okay. Then when end equal to 4, I takes the values from 1 to 3, then 2 to 3, then 3 to 3 and at last 4 to 3. This much okay? Then forget about all these things. Concentrate only on the value of I. What is given inside this for loop? Print rainbow of I and. See, here bracket is not given. In older versions of Python, this will work. That is why it is given like this. So what is to be displayed? Rainbow of I. We will see all the possible outputs. When I ranges from 1 to 2, what will be printed? Indigo and blue. It is not there in our option. Then go for next one. 2 to 2. What will be the output? Blue and. That also not there in our option. Then go for next one. 3 to 2. For loop will not iterate, so no output. Then go for the next option. 1 to 3. That is from indigo to green. So what will be the output? Indigo and blue and green and. Is it there in our option? Yes, it is there. So this is one of the possible outputs. Then go for the next one. 2 to 3, that is blue and green and. That also not there in our option. Then 3 to 3, green and. That also not given. Then last one, 4 to 3, no output. So what is the possible output from the given options? It is option 1, indigo and blue and green and. This question is little bit confusing, but if you do it carefully by drawing the table and all, you will get it very easily. And also no need to go for all the possible outputs. From these options you can understand there are 3 values in all these options. So just go for the options which will give 3 values. Only this one, 1 to 3. Okay, in our next class we will see another output question from random module. Thank you.